Hi everyone, this is Megan. We're going to go over a roasted kangaroo loins with taro root recipe. This is ridiculously simple. It only takes 4 taro roots, kangaroo loins, and salt. First, what you're going to do is you're going to cut out the taro root. You're going to notice a lot that this is very weirdly sticky and gooey. We rinsed them. We rinsed them again and dried them. They will stay that way because taro roots are a very oily root would be the best way to refer to it. So have fun. I sliced them thin like this so I could have them in a roasted position. You could probably dice them, or there's even ways to do it that people make like a chip out of. So options. So you go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 and you're going to arrange these on a cookie sheet. You want to salt them, and then every 10 minutes you're going to flip them. So you're going to cook them for 20 minutes in total. Moving forward to the kangaroo. So one thing you're going to notice about kangaroo is it's a very bloody meat, you could say. It's mostly due to the fact that there's not a lot of fat on it. It's very lean. So what you're going to want to do is rinse, drain, pat dry, and then of course put them on the cookie sheet for roasting. This is going to take a bit because, as you can see, we went through a lot of paper towels because this is a very lean meat and it's very, very full of blood. So once you're done with this, you're going to preheat the oven to 430, and you're going to want to salt these on both sides, keep them pretty even, and then pop them into the oven. So these go into the oven for 6 minutes on each side. They're going to roast pretty quickly, and then they're ready to eat. And there you go. You can drizzle with honey. They taste great. As always, thank you to our patrons and viewers. I appreciate all your guys' feedback and love to know more. If you have anything, just let me know in the comments.